All right, so we're just gonna go for it.
So this is the way Forrest videos start.
We're just gonna go for
Way too late.
Yeah.
Here's the car. It's not the car that Ryan wanted to work on, or Forrest, but you know, I let him down, but that's okay.
You didn't let us down. We're not mad, we're just disappointed.
It's got 157,000 miles. This is an NFS RAV4. Not for sale.
What does it even stand for?
Not for sale.
Oh. I thought that was a special model. I don't know my RAV4s.
It is. This one's an NFS. Nope.
I wish I could just... That would be it.
Someday.
It's a 2013 RAV4 all-wheel drive.
It is all-wheel drive.
What was the plan? What was this guy wanting to use it for?
He just wants to go out in the bush, be able to cross the fence river, that kind of thing. He had a side-by-side before. Not his thing anymore. Wants to be in comfort now.
So now we've got a rear. We took the hitch that somebody installed and we put a rear bumper on it that has half-inch plate recovery points that we can put D-rings on. Had factory roof rails. That's now gone. Got a complete custom fabbed roof rack with spare tire mount. Ready lift 2-inch kit.
I believe so, yeah.
17-inch race lines with 245/70. Yokohama Geolanders. Front bumper with recovery points now with the aluminum skid plate, quarter aluminum skid plate. And then ox beam lights, top bottom models.
We didn't really get a shot at how this was built, but that's pretty cool.
Oh yeah, factory toe point mounting.
Yeah, that was a really neat setup.
Should have took a picture of that. Because that's something I wouldn't have thought of at all. I remember you explaining it to me too, and I was in Texas and I'm sitting there like, alright, if I had a piece of tube and a bolt. I was sitting there, Ryan's like, what are you doing? I was like trying to figure out what Ryan just texted me. I think it's a sweet color. I did not like this car when I first looked at it.
It changed.
When you,
It changed.
Well, when you said we were doing a RAV4, I figured, you know, like first gen RAV4 that everybody messes with, or like the newest RAV4 that's actually like really sharp looking, and then it's this. The middle year that I didn't even know was a RAV4, I just thought it was like a Toyota car. Yeah. And the fact that they made them all-wheel drive, that's kind of cool.
Mm-hmm.
But that's it.